So next topic is loss due to creep of concrete. So already we have learned the losses before yesterday, loss due to elastic shortening and loss due to shrinkage. So now it comes loss due to creep of concrete, which in pressure concrete, which it affects mainly high tensile stresses, which affects mainly in high tensile stresses, due to high tensile stresses. Okay, so here there are two types. One is ultimate creep and another one is creep coefficient. So in question they will ask, determine the ultimate creep. Loss in ultimate creep means we should use one formula, or determine the creep coefficient. Creep coefficient, loss due to creep coefficient means we should use one formula. Okay, so first one is ultimate creep, which effectively reduces high tensile steel. The formula for ultimate creep is ECC to FC to ES. So ES is modulus of elastic steel, compressive strength in concrete FC. Here ECC means ultimate creep coefficient. Ultimate creep coefficient in pre and post tension. We have two types, pre tension and post tension. So first, for pre tension means we should use 48 into 10 power minus 6 value. And post tension means 36 into 10 power minus 6 value. 48 into 10 power minus 6 and 36 into 10 power minus 6. We should substitute the values and we can know the losses of stress in steel in ultimate creep. In ultimate creep. But here comes in creep coefficient pi. So creep coefficient is denoted by pi, which is defined as then A's in numbers. So the pi value varies from 1.5 to 4, 1.5 to 4, 1.5 to 4. Okay, so here creep coefficient means the direct formula for creep coefficient is creep strain by elastic strain. Creep strain by elastic strain, which is epsilon c by epsilon e, epsilon c by epsilon e, which we know here is equal to like this. Epsilon c is equal to pi into EC. So here epsilon c is equal to, you can write as FC by EC. FC by EC. Okay, FC by EC. So you don't need to remember at all, but you should remember only two formulas. That is ultimate creep loss due to this formula, and creep coefficient you should remember directly pi FC alpha. Pi FC into alpha. So if the value of pi is given, you can substitute. Otherwise, take the value of pi 1.5 to 4, 1.5 to 4. So loss due to stress in steel is epsilon c into EC into pi into ES. So you can write EC value as pi into FC into ES. So by solving the equation, we will write the formula as pi into FC into alpha. Pi into FC into alpha. So pi value is 1.5 to 4. FC strength of concrete and alpha E is coefficient, which will be given in the problem. So if it is asked ultimate creep, you should remember this formula. If it is asked creep coefficient, you should remember this formula. Okay, so we will continue the problem. So this is the introduction for loss due to creep of concrete. While doing the problem, we can know the formulas where we have to substitute. Okay. Okay, so we'll take the example problem. So a concrete beam of rectangular section, 100 by 300 mm deep, is precessed by 5 7 mm dia vise, located at eccentricity 50 mm. The initial stress is 200 Newton per mm square. Calculate loss of stress. So in the question, these are also the given data. These are also the given data. So already while writing the solution, you should write the given data. So I written in given solution. Okay, these are the points which are also given in question. Okay, so this is the given data, which is modulus elasticity value for strain, modulus elasticity in steel, standard value I, BDQ by 12, EC, ultimate creep, EC, modulus elasticity in concrete, ECC, epsilon CC, ultimate creep coefficient, which is 41. It is given for 41. But if it is not given, the ultimate creep, the value of ultimate creep, it is not given, we should write 46 and 48 and 36 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 for pre and for post. For pre and for post tension concrete. So, and the area given, eccentricity. Okay. So here that is a pre-stressing force is for wires 5 7 mm diameters. So 5 into pi by 4 into 7 square, we will got 23 into 10 power 4, 23 into 10 power 4 newtons. And alpha E is epsilon C ES by EC, ES by EC, which will get the value of 6. Okay. So first we should calculate the pre-stressed value, initial stress, FC. The formula for FC is P by A, already we know, plus P into E by I into E. So P by A plus P into E by A into I. So P by A, P 23 into 10 power 4 by area 3 into 10 power 4 plus 23 into 10 power 4 into 50 into 50 by I value how much? 225 into 10 power 6. So by solving, we will get the value of initial pressure FC is equal to 10.22 Newton per mm square. So 10.22 Newton per mm square. So this is the value for FC, P by A plus P into E by I into E. So all the conditions we know. So here in the question it is asked loss of stress due to creep. That's all. So it does not ask about ultimate creep or creep coefficient. So we will solve both the methods. We will solve both creep coefficient and ultimate creep also. Okay. So first one, ultimate creep. First one, ultimate creep. So what is the formula for ultimate creep? Loss of stress due to ultimate creep. What is the formula? Epsilon Cc into Fc into Es. Epsilon Cc into Fc into Es. So epsilon Cc value we have, Fc value we have, Es value we have by substituting the values. So epsilon Cc. So if epsilon Cc was not given, we should take the value for pre-tension means pre 48 into 10 power 6, post tension means 36 into 10 power 6. Okay. So it is given only a concrete beam. So if it is not given, it is pre-stressed or post tension. So assume pre-stressed concrete, assume post tensioning concrete and write the value. So ECC, which is we know, which is given 41 into 10 power minus 6 into FC 10.22 into ES 210 into 10 cube. So all in newtons, which we will get 88 Newton per mm square. 88 Newton per mm square. So this is the loss of stress in ultimate creep. Now we will take creep coefficient. So already we have discussed now formula creep coefficient, that is pi. So loss of stress. So directly we should remember the formula. Loss of stress is equal to pi into what is the formula? Pi into Fc into alpha. Pi into Fc into alpha. So here alpha E value we know 6. Alpha E value we know 6. Pi value we don't know. Fc value we know 10.22. So here pi value. So what is the pi value? So we can expect the pi value from 1.5 to 4. We can take the value from 1.5 to 4. So by substituting, I will substitute 1.6 into 10.22 into 6. 1.6 into 10.22 into 6. So we will get the value of 98.11 Newton per mm square. So this is the value of loss due to stress in ultimate creep and loss due to stress in creep coefficient. Loss due to stress in ultimate creep and loss due to stress in creep coefficient. So these are the given data. These are the given data. If it is not given the ES and EC value, you can assume directly as 6 and do the problem. Okay. So this is a concrete beam for rectangular section which has the initial stresses, and it is asked to calculate loss of stress due to creep. So we should calculate ultimate creep and creep coefficient as this method. So you should only remember this formula and this formula. You should only remember the two formulas itself. Okay. So this is the main concept of loss due to creep in concrete and the problem. Okay. So please follow the video and do the problem. Thank you.